Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101. Today we're going to look at a full line of easy coupler sewer hoses and sewer hose kits by Valterra Products. But before we do that, I want to talk briefly about making the sewer connection at the campground. To simplify the process of connecting the sewer hose at the campground, Valterra has this easy coupler bayonet sewer fitting. The unique thing about this is it gives you a gas-tight fit on 6 different sewer connections. The threaded connections are 3-inch, 3.5-inch, and 4-inch. It fits the same size smooth pipe connections, and it has the standard bayonet ends for easy sewer hose connections. Speaking of sewer hoses, let's check them out. We'll start with the easy coupler extension hoses. Extension hoses give you the extra length of hose for times you are farther away from the campground or dump station connections. There's a 5-foot and a 10-foot extension hose. These are premium sewer hoses with 18 mil vinyl over the wire with UV protection. The pre-installed fittings on both ends provide a leak-proof connection every time. And as you can see, the fittings rotate to prevent kinking and to keep the hose flat. They use standard bayonet ends for easy sewer hose connections. The rotating fittings on both ends of the hose have an external ring that rotates. On other sewer hoses, the entire end rotates, which means there are moving parts and grooves that can trap waste, contributing to odors and reducing the life of the fittings. These fittings have a smooth interior, which means no odors or trapped waste. Now let's look at some easy coupler sewer hose kits. There's a 10-foot and 20-foot easy coupler sewer hose kit and this 20-foot dual tank sewer hose kit. The 10-foot kit includes a 10-foot sewer hose with the same 18 mil vinyl and rotating fitting, plus this easy coupler 90-degree universal bayonet sewer fitting. This sewer adapter fits 6 sewer connections, so it is the only adapter you will need, and it always provides a gas-tight fit. You will appreciate the clear adapter when you're flushing the black tank. It lets you know when the black tank is really flushed and clean. The 20-foot easy coupler sewer hose kit includes 2 10-foot sewer hoses with rotating fittings and a clear 90-degree universal sewer adapter. If you are at the dump station, you can use one 10-foot hose, and when the campground connection is farther away, you just connect the 2 10-foot hoses together. That brings us to the 20-foot easy coupler dual tank sewer hose kit. Lots of RVs manufactured today have 2 separate gray water holding tanks. This kit comes with everything that was in the 20-foot sewer hose kit we just discussed, plus this Y fitting. It has the same rotating fittings with 4 bayonet hooks, so the hose always lays flat. Now you can connect the black and gray water sewer hose to one side of the Y fitting and the additional gray water sewer hose kit to the opposite side. I have easy coupler sewer hoses that are a decade old and still provide leak-proof seals, so if you're looking for longevity and dependability in an RV sewer hose or sewer hose kit, these easy coupler products are for you. Happy camping.